Welcome my dear student in digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in chapter number 6 that is related to squares and square roots. So in exercise 6.4 we are dealing with division method. So today in division method we are going to learn about how to find the least number which must be subtracted from the following number so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the perfect square number. So this is the question given to us, and in this question number is provided to us 402. Our task is to find out what is the least number if we are subtracting that number from this given number, so we are getting a perfect square number. So to solve this question we have one key point. Key point is by subtracting remainder from the given number we can obtain perfect square number. This is very important line. This line is going to play a role to find out the answer. So first we must know about remainder. Let's start. So this is 402. Again I am going to write the same key point. We know that by subtracting remainder from the given number we can obtain perfect square number. This is the priority, this first line. After first line, our task is to divide this number. So let's start division work. Number is given to us 402. So as I told you, first task is to make pair. So start pairing from this side. So first number downside of a bar is only 4. So your task is to find out any number. If we are multiplying, so its answer become 4. That means I can write here 2. 2 to the 4. So what is left? 0 and 2. As I told you, this number is going to be double. So 2 plus 2 become 4. Now next task. What should I write here so that I can divide this number? First step is clear, 2 to the 4. Second step is I need to write some number here so that I can find exactly the answer. But it is very typical. Inside it is 2 and outside it is 4. So I do not have any choice. So better I will write here 0. If I am writing 0 here, so definitely it becomes 0, 0. Why? Because if you are writing 40 into 0, 0, 0 is 0, 4 0 is also 0. So it is 0. So remainder left 2. And here I need to put 0. So my remainder is 2. So I can write here remainder is equals to 2. And it is clearly written that we need to subtract it. Therefore, I need to do 402 minus 2. That is 400. Next step. Now 400 I need to calculate. Is it a perfect square? So I need to write square root of 400. So our task is to find out square root of 400. How to calculate? Again method remains similar. Remainder we have subtracted. So here see now. I have number 400. Again I have started by making pairs, these two and this one. So first number is 4. So let us start with 2. 2 to the 4. Cancel out. Here left 0, 0. And it is 4 here. So now if you are interested to find answer only 0, 0. So write here 0. Because as I did here you can see. So it becomes 0, 0 and remainder is 0. So what is my answer? 20. So I hope it is clear to you how I did. So let me revise once again what are the steps. Question is subtract something or any least number from the given number so that it become a perfect square number. So key point is subtract remainder. Whatever the remainder you are getting after division, subtract that from the number and then find in this way. So let's see. First step, as usual, we know that by subtracting remainder from the given number, we can get perfect square number. So first task is to division, that I did here. 2 to the 4. It is 2 left here. So 2 it is not possible. So I have written here 0, because by writing 0 answer is 0. Remainder left 2. Now subtract remainder from the given number, we get 400. Now my next task is to find the square root of 400. So see here, 400 I have divided 2 to the 4, 0 left, so I have written 0. In this way answer is 20. Means simple work is that first write number, divide it, find remainder, subtract from the original number. You will get the answer.